tignan natin yung likelihood as to whether or not mabe-break ba yung fasting natin kung inumin natin tong Sprite Zero. At the moment, ang reading ko is about 106, no? If I'm not mistaken. So, iinumin ko siya. And then after 1 hour, we will check within the hour kung ano yung pinakamataas na pinitek dito sa otay, if meron man or if wala, para makita natin kung ma-break yung fasting ko o hindi. So, punong-puno na isang basong malaki ang iinumin ko para talagang makita natin kung ano yung magiging galaw niya sa otay. So, gusto. After 1 hour, we are going to check whether kumilos ba yung glucose monitor or hindi. And kung kumilos man, gaano karami. Tapos na yung 1 hour, so na-check ko na yung movement that would determine yung likelihood na na-break yung fasting ko. So, the movement barely moved from the start na 106 and then after an hour, it barely moved. As a matter of fact, mas bumaba pa nga eh. Therefore, no, insignificant yung movement, imbis na tumaas, bumaba pa. So, yung likelihood that Sprite Zero would break your fast is very low to almost not at all. Again, hindi naman madedetermine ni Otay, no, kung na-break ba talaga o hindi yung fasting natin. But at least it gives you a rough idea. Sa akin, sa experience ko, yung galaw ng glucose, it's unlikely na na-break yung fasting ko. Okay?